Yellowfin is a unique data and analytics solution. It's why we were named a visionary in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence Platforms. There is no other data and analytics platform with as broad a range of capability to help you provide your customers with the very best embedded analytical experience. How do we do this? Yellowfin enables you to modernize your analytic environment, ensure all your users engage with their data, discover insights faster through automation, and increase innovation in your business. This demonstration is in two parts. In the first part, you will see how you can seamlessly embed, extend, and interact with Yellowfin within your application using a variety of integration methods. This includes rebranding, embedding content like charts and action-based dashboards, to full application integration that provides your end users with automated data discovery, data stories, and self-service reporting seamlessly embedded into your application. In the second part, we show you how easy it is to create rich analytic content such as beautiful dashboards and operational reports. We will show you how you can prepare your data for analysis, integrate data science models into your analytic environment, and deliver insights as a service. For this demonstration, Yellowfin has been embedded in a variety of ways into a standalone procurement application. It's a showcase that highlights what's possible and presents some of the integration options you have. Yellowfin has been designed to support a flexible, multi-tenant deployment. Individual client organizations can be configured within a single shared instance, allowing for controlled sharing of common content, as well as the creation of client-specific content. When logging a user into your application, use Yellowfin Web Services to simultaneously perform a single sign-on into Yellowfin as well. This will create a user session so that users can view and interact securely with embedded Yellowfin content. The landing page contains a mix of native application components and Yellowfin content embedded alongside. The order tables and tasks are native to the app. The integrated Yellowfin components include charts and widgets for Yellowfin stories, Yellowfin signals, and threshold-based alerts. The application's top navigation enables users to access other parts of the software as well as modules of Yellowfin, like dashboards and reports. A simple and effective way to bring your application's data to life is by embedding dynamic visualizations directly into your interface. This is easily done with our JavaScript API. When you filter the application's table, those same native application filter values can be passed into Yellowfin JavaScript API, filtering that content and maintaining the context between the app and the embedded reports. Content embedded in this way can be highly interactive. For example, you can drill down or drill through to a more detailed report, allowing your users to get the details behind the numbers and really bring your application to life. What is the Yellowfin JS API? The JS API allows you to access Yellowfin content through JavaScript and enables you to embed and interact with Yellowfin content within your application without needing to include the Yellowfin interface. This method gives you a lot of UX control. How do you use it? Adding content using the JS API is very easy. There are two methods. You can simply copy and embed the link from the relevant report or dashboard and embed it into your page. Append parameters to the embed link to control the appearance and behavior. For example, options on the toolbar can be enabled or disabled. For greater control, use the JS API and its function to dynamically load content and enable fine-grained control over the behavior of reports, dashboards, filters, drill states, and more. This slide-out dashboard is a great example of that. The store name is passed as a parameter into the Yellowfin JS API, filtering the dashboard for the selected store. Yellowfin has a huge variety of out-of-the-box visualizations, big numbers, gauges, maps, and standard bar charts. Benchmarking, variance analysis, and comparative analysis techniques have also been used to help the user to understand the performance of this store. Embedded content can display Yellowfin's out-of-the-box filters, or you can create custom filters like these that call the Dashboard Filters API and are designed to meet the style and interaction standards of your application. Yellowfin dashboards are incredibly powerful and help your users to get to insights faster. For example, If your users see an unexpected spike or change in their data from one month to the next, they can use assisted insights to find out why. A user can simply click on the chart, select Auto Analyze, and choose the analysis they want to run. Yellowfin runs smart algorithms over the data, finds the most likely causes, and ranks them. It also automatically creates smart visualizations and pairs them with narrative that easily explain the insights. It is doing this in seconds, what would usually take a data analyst hours to accomplish. Using Yellowfin's JavaScript API, you can quickly and easily embed rich analytic content and action-driven dashboards into your application. This type of embedding is ideal when you want to control the entire user experience. You can bring Yellowfin content components directly into your application and finally control how your application interacts with that content. If you want to extend Yellowfin's native dashboard capability to create unique visualizations and interactions, you can do so with code mode and JavaScript charts. Extend Yellowfin through the use of custom visualizations. Using a Yellowfin report as a data provider, you can add your own bespoke visualizations with JavaScript charts. You can operationalize your data science models by exposing the recommendations or outcomes via reports and dashboards and prompt your users to take action. Using code mode, you can create operational workflows that commit the update back into your application and close the loop on analytics. What is code mode? With code mode, you can access the browser's JavaScript engine as well as Yellowfin's dashboard APIs to extend the Yellowfin dashboard experience. How do you access it? Code mode is accessed via the Yellowfin interface when building your dashboard. Toggle between visual mode and code mode, enabling you to access the HTML representation of the canvas to modify it or to add your own custom HTML items to the dashboard. Insert your own JavaScript and add your own custom styling. What can you do with it? With code mode, you can use the Yellowfin JavaScript APIs to manipulate content and react to changes that occur to that object. Examples in this demonstration include custom filters, an embedded JavaScript chart, actions, and additional tooltips. And why would you use it? You would use code mode when you want to extend the functionality of Yellowfin to create a completely customized interaction with Yellowfin. By contrast, the JS API allows you to achieve similar results by bringing the Yellowfin content to your page. Code mode, on the other hand, allows you to bring your application's functionality to Yellowfin. This highlights the power of the bidirectional integration you can achieve with Yellowfin. Yellowfin provides web service APIs to more deeply integrate with Yellowfin by enabling automation of administrative tasks or accessing Yellowfin content from within your own UI. REST APIs have been used to integrate threshold-based alerting and automated data discovery, so your users can continuously monitor their data for critical changes, and data storytelling for management reporting. While Yellowfin enables you to create amazing dashboards that your users will love, helping them discover what's changed in their data and why is critical. That's why Yellowfin has signals and alerts. Threshold-based alerts are great for your end users when they need to be alerted to changes in their data, especially when they know exactly what they want to track. For example, users could be alerted when inventory falls below a 12-bottle threshold or sales exceed a specific dollar amount. Threshold alerts are easy to set up. Users simply choose the metric they want to track and set the thresholds. They will be notified as soon as a metric crosses the threshold via email, a widget like this, or their timeline. Threshold-based alerts are great when you know exactly what you are looking for, but setting these up for every change in your user's data is simply not viable. That is why we created Yellowfin Signals. Signals run all the time on your live data, constantly looking for changes. When a change is detected, like an outlier, spike, or change in trend in sales, inventory, or any important metric, your users get notified immediately. These are critical changes your users need to know about. Users can be notified via email and embedded widget like this one, their timeline, and mobile app. You can also call the REST API to integrate a signal notification directly into your application's interface like this icon, which indicates that there was a significant change for this specific store. The Yellowfin REST API is a web services API built using the REST architectural style. The API provides access to a wide range of endpoints, allowing programmers to access information and manipulate back-end content programmatically. Using the REST API, a variety of manually intensive Yellowfin administrative tasks can be automated. In addition, the REST endpoints provide a low-level programming interface that allow you to build completely custom UI components. Using the iframe integration method is one way to expose native Yellowfin functionality while stripping away navigation elements such as headers, footers, and toolbars. This signal's detail is integrated via an iframe. To explore Signal in more detail, your users need access to the richer features of the Yellowfin application. The Signals Details page provides the user with the history of this particular metric slice, so they can see if and when this type of event has happened in the past. Relevance tells you how big an impact this change had on the total metric. Use the Analysis tab to find out what the possible drivers for this change were. Yellowfin has automatically analyzed the background data and performed root cause analysis for them. This story pop-up has also been integrated using iframes. Yellowfin's data storytelling capability is unique. It allows you or your users to create professional management reports and decks that will impress even the most demanding executives. Iframe is an integration method where Yellowfin pages are displayed without their navigation elements like header, footer, and toolbar within an iframe in your application. Using the iframe integration method, you are able to expose all of native Yellowfin functionality to your end users, as we saw in the Signals page. You would use iframes when you want to integrate Yellowfin seamlessly into your application, and you are happy with Yellowfin UX that comes out of the box. You don't want to maintain your application's header and top-level navigation in multiple places, which is necessary in case of application integration shown next. And you want to expose controls in your application to interact with Yellowfin content in the iframe. Another incredibly powerful way to embed Yellowfin into your application is via full application embedding. This is where the navigation structure of your application is replicated in Yellowfin via custom navigation, allowing users to navigate to and from Yellowfin using the same navigation structures. Leaving the landing page and navigating to the Yellowfin app is seamless. The navigation is custom to you, so you can choose what modules users have access to and how they access it from your app. Using this method, your users can seamlessly interact with a white-labeled Yellowfin, with all of its rich functionality and native workflows. Using the application integration method allows your users to seamlessly transition a Yellowfin page from within your application, providing access to some or all of the functionality that the Yellowfin UI provides out of the box. Why would you use it? You would use this method when you want to seamlessly integrate parts of or all of the Yellowfin application into your software. And you are happy with the out-of-the-box Yellowfin UX? You do not want to work with iframes or be limited to the boundaries of the iframe window. Having seen how dashboards and other content can be embedded into your application, let's see how they can be built via application integration. Yellowfin dashboards allow you to quickly assemble reports and visualizations in a compelling way. With unmatched design flexibility and the ability to add actions, you can create dashboards that will have a big impact on your users. Creating a new dashboard is incredibly easy. Simply click Create and choose from a variety of predefined layouts or a free-form canvas. In this case, we have chosen a predefined layout. You would use this when you want a basic dashboard with everything perfectly aligned. Simply drag on the reports you want and place them on the page. For complete design flexibility, choose the Canvas Layout option. With this layout, you can control the exact position of all the objects on the page that meet the exacting standards of your UX team. Place pre-built charts or tables where you want them, or create a new visualization from scratch. Choose your dataset, fields, and tailor the look and feel of your chart from the Properties menu. Add the design elements you need to make your dashboards pop by adding text, images, or shapes, and more. With Yellowfin Canvas dashboards, you have all the design flexibility you need to create stunning dashboards. To extend your dashboards and create unique analytical experiences, you can add advanced widgets like a signals widget. Filter it to match the dataset and subject area of the dashboard, providing more context for your users. Add action buttons using low and no-code functionality and integrate calls to your software application to create blended analytic and operational workflows. We saw earlier how simple it is to toggle to code mode to extend Yellowfin and create unique analytical experiences. With Yellowfin, you can modernize your dashboards with stunning design and deep functionality. You can engage your users with more interactivity and collaboration, automate analysis with assisted insights and signals, innovate with data by embedding workflows and actions. Operational reports are a significant need for business users along with dashboards. With Yellowfin, your users can create and share operational reports with ease. Yellowfin supports all of your users' reporting needs. It is simple to create basic tabular reports, crosstab reports, advanced tabular reports with conditional formats, bars and spark lines, and a variety of charts from simple bars, lines, and pies, through to the more sophisticated heat grids and maps. Your users can easily create their own reports and take the burden off your services team. Simply choose a pre-prepared dataset with multi-tenant security baked in. Create a table by dragging on the fields you need. Filter the data to make it more relevant. Then create one or more charts as required. If your users are trying to uncover hidden insights in their data, let Assisted Insights do the heavy lifting for them. They simply choose the data they want to analyze, ask their question, and let Yellowfin discover insights automatically. The manual analysis work is done for them, and Yellowfin returns a set of charts they can use for deeper analysis. These charts automatically come with natural language narratives that explain each discovered insight as well. Sharing and managing reports in a trusted, governed, and secure way is incredibly simple. Any content created by you can be shared across all your tenants as master content. The data can be filtered for each client and remain secure. The reports your users create will be available to their peers only and not shared across tenants. Your users can share the content they create with others. Or, for ongoing report visibility, schedule a report for distribution on a regular basis, ensuring that those who need to see it often are prompted to view the report. Finally, your users may choose to export the report to a spreadsheet or other commonly used format, such as Word or PDF. With Yellowfin, you can modernize your operational reporting, engage with more users with both traditional and self-service reporting, use automated analysis for faster data discovery, and innovate by providing full self-service reporting to all your users. Throughout this demonstration, we have been logged in as a client user with the procurement app. Let's log out of the app and into standard Yellowfin as a developer. Purposely, we have left the Yellowfin styling and branding so that the difference between the two experiences is clear. You can also see that the native navigation in Yellowfin does not look like the demo's app. That's the benefit and control you get by using custom navigation for application integration. An important part of analytics integration is preparing your data for analysis. With Yellowfin, you can create robust, high-quality datasets for your dashboards and self-service analysis. Connect to your data, transform it if necessary, and prepare it for analysis by publishing it into the Yellowfin Data Catalog. Yellowfin allows you to build data models that are secure and enable end-user self-service reporting within a multi-tenant environment. Yellowfin does not need to load data into a proprietary database, so you can query your data directly where it resides. A huge variety of data connections are supported, relational and non-relational, on-premise or in the cloud. By creating a new data source, you can connect to files, databases, cubes, and API data sources. If you need to extract data from your transactional application and transform that data so that it is optimized for reporting, you can do so with Yellowfin's ETL module. You can link a series of transformation steps together, then perform functions such as merging, filtering, calculations, or geocoding. Simply drag on a step and configure it to achieve the action you want. Run and test your transformation to ensure you will get accurate results. If your data is ready for reporting, you can use Yellowfin's metadata layer to create a reusable data model. This model is where all the business logic needed to generate a query correctly is defined. In addition, all the row-level security logic required for multi-tenancy is stored here too. As a result, this metadata can be reused over and over again for your end-user self-service reporting. Your users do not have to understand the underlying technical database logic. Instead, they simply select the attributes they want for the report they need. To set up your metadata, you firstly create the entity relationships, joining the tables and selecting the fields you want to make available for reporting. You can see the SQL that will be generated, although in reality the SQL is optimized based on the fields selected for the query. View the data to sanity check your join logic. Use virtual tables for complex queries or joining to multiple fact tables. Once you have selected all of your fields, you can prepare your data for analysis. Use data profiling to understand the shape of your data and follow suggested actions to help clean and improve data usability. Add calculations, predefined filters, or transform dates. You can then rename fields if they have a technical database name and put those fields in folders. This makes it easier for your users to use when creating reports. When you publish a view, it acts like a data catalog. Users with the right level of permission now have access to create new analyses from this view and can trust data is used correctly and consistently. Yellowfin makes it easy to productionize and operationalize your data science models. You can call popular data science models such as PMML, PFA, and H2O AI to augment your dashboards and reports with your custom predictive and prescriptive analytics. You can integrate these into your data transformation workflows, call them live and on the fly directly from within a report, and embed your predicted results into a dashboard and reports for your users to act on. Yellowfin provides you with all of the tools you need to prepare your data for analysis, from connecting to your data, transforming it if required, creating and publishing data catalogs, to integrating data science models, all in a trusted, governed, and highly secure way. This demonstration you saw on how embedding Yellowfin provides you with everything needed to modernize your reporting and analytic environment with a suite of industry-leading products including actionable dashboards, self-service reporting, automated data discovery, and data preparation. You saw how you can white label and embed Yellowfin in a variety of ways, including the JavaScript API, REST API, iframes, or custom navigation, enabling you to deliver content that will increase user engagement with your application and its data. Personalized alerts, whether automated or threshold-based, dashboards that drive action, self-service reporting, and operationalized data science models that deliver predictions to users immediately all work together to create an exceptional user experience. The Yellowfin Data and Analytics solution allows you to innovate with data by taking advantage of a no-code, low-code approach to transform your application through data. Yellowfin, the only analytics suite that enables you to integrate action-based dashboards, automated alerts, and self-service reporting into your application.